Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, rear step bumper, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, MyLink, satellite communications, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
We've been serving North Texas since 1978. We've built our business for nearly 40 years on treating our customers right. Are here for you for the life of your vehicle. The next time you're looking for a new or pre-owned vehicle, come visit our family at James Wood Decatur.